Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A major reimagining of the classic recreational vehicle. The 2026 Chevrolet Mega Luxury Caravan positions itself as the epitome of American comfort and spacious mobile lifestyle. This fictitious vehicle would combine Chevrolet's well-known dependability and extensive service network with an emphasis on utmost luxury and roomy design in an effort to raise the bar for the premium caravan market. The 2026 Chevrolet Mega Luxury Caravan would probably have a strong yet elegant appearance from the outside. It would combine a purposeful attitude with bold, clean lines, drawing inspiration from Chevrolet's contemporary design language. Its design would undoubtedly be modern, with huge panoramic windows that give a glimpse of the roomy interior, but it would avoid becoming too futuristic. The Mega classification maximizes internal volume without sacrificing road presence by implying a longer length and possibly a bigger body. Superior, long-lasting materials would be visible, and its luxurious appeal would be set apart from that of typical recreational trailers by the finely applied finishes and understated chrome accents. When combined with a suitable tow vehicle, aerodynamic considerations, while difficult for a car this size, would be carefully included to increase towing stability and possibly boost fuel efficiency. Inside, the 2026 Chevrolet Mega Luxury Caravan would become a real mobile home, emphasizing roomy comfort and a wide range of first-rate facilities. The use of lavish materials and painstaking attention to detail would constitute the luxury element. You may anticipate luxurious, handcrafted upholstery, possibly in fine leather or textiles, as well as real wood veneers and gleaming metallic embellishments. In addition to a luxurious master bedroom with a king-sized bed, a state-of-the-art gourmet kitchen with residential-grade appliances, a grand salon area with plenty of seating, and a sophisticated, full-sized bathroom with high-pressure shower and high-end fixtures. The layout would be planned for smooth flow and separate living zones. Having separate areas for eating, lounging, and maybe even a small office would improve living conditions even more. The Chevrolet Mega Luxury Caravan would be at the forefront of smart mobile living in terms of technology. Everything from lighting and climate management to entertainment systems and security features would be controlled by an advanced central control system that could be accessed through touchscreens and maybe voice commands. Advanced telematics, high-speed satellite internet, and a full range of entertainment options, such as big-screen smart TVs and high-end music systems, would guarantee that residents are entertained and connected. Extended off-grid capabilities would be possible with strong power management systems that include big battery banks, sophisticated inverters, and possibly even integrated solar panels. Families or discriminating individuals looking for an uncompromised travel experience who value comfort, space, and cutting-edge technology over quick maneuverability would be the vehicle's target market. The 2026 Chevrolet Mega Luxury Caravan would be a complete, rolling luxury home that is prepared to offer unmatched comfort and convenience wherever the trip takes it, rather than merely a means of transportation or short-term lodging.